The right to fair compensation and transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013 (LARR). The lecture is given by Sudarshan Sridhar Desai. Need for the Land Acquisition Act. There are a number of significant challenges and reasons why a new land acquisition statute was necessary. The following are few of the primary factors and concerns. The need for urbanization and land has grown as a result of industry expansion, globalization, special economic zones, etc. On the other hand, reasonable compensation, relocation, and restoration plans must be offered to landowners whose property must be acquired by the government. The land is therefore necessary for industrialization and economic progress, but the affected population must not suffer as a result of the acquisition. The term "public purpose" has produced significant issues. The Supreme Court has expanded the definition of public purpose in decisions like Yamuna Expressway, Srimati Somawati and others case 1962, and several such cases. In certain situations, the court has ruled that it is legal to acquire property and give it to a private firm or project that do not truly use it for public purposes. As a result, one of the primary justifications for acquisition of new property is the wide interpretation and absence of precise criteria. In the instance of eminent domain acquisition by the state or acquisition for a private enterprise for a project connected to public purposes, the prior laws provided no provisions for relocation and rehabilitation. Despite receiving compensation, the impacted individuals still face significant difficulties. Previously, the collector had the ability to decide the compensation. The quantum of the expenses was to be determined using the worth of a local market. However, there was no detailed process for the calculating compensation or any other rules. In certain instances, the landowner was deceived. The previous law lacked the provision acquiring permission for the owner of a property the government intended to acquire. Instances like Nandigram, where the government chose to acquire the land of the farmers and gave them short notice to that a special economic zone could be established, occurred as a result of a lack of such laws. Section 17 of 1894 legislation, which discusses the urgency clause, was a significant flaw. The government and private businesses have abused this urgency clause a great deal. Thank you.